Hello again, and welcome to the second part of the Slime Rancher Beginner's Guide series. And this is going to be for the lab expansion. We skipped a few days, but most of those days I just slept through because I was just waiting for my stuff to just automatically feed and collect my plorts. Ooh. Thank you. Yeah, go back in. And the lab is a ranch expansion that you can get by going over here. You walk up to this console. Typically, it would display a thing saying how much it costs. And if you press the button that says buy, or activate, or whatever it says, you unlock this area, which is the lab. You gain 5 more plots, and if I'm recording a video, can you not? First, you want to walk over to here. You've got this whole screen. This whole screen lets you unlock all your blueprints, which range from stuff like pumps, apiaries, and don't do that again.
Okay, Lacey, help me get this out.
This range from pumps, apiaries, and you already have a drill unlocked, to stuff as advanced as drones, which automate your factory. Oh, and also stuff like Gordo snares, which let you make a Gordo bee on your ranch. Hydro turrets to take care of any tars. Med stations, which restore your energy, and health. It drains your energy and restores your health. Sorry, I got confused. I've never used this thing in the past. Warp depots, which let you transfer things between 2 points, and teleporters, which let you transfer yourself between 2 points. And also decorative things, like this. Then, in order to craft those, you head over to here. For example, for this novice drill, which drills, pumps, and apiaries, let you get resources for her other stuff. So for a drill, you need 10 pink plorts, 6 rock plorts, and 3 rad plorts. To get those plorts, you put them into this, the refinery. Once you put it in here, it cannot be removed in any way. This lets you view what's inside it. Over here is a teleporter to an area that you unlock by completing Victor Humphreys' quests. He's one of the guys at the range exchange. In here you have my favorite of the mini games, because there's a mini game in each of the areas for each of the traders. You've got there's Ogden Ortiz's Kakaboa, whatever it is, collecting thing. You've got the slime racing, where you shoot stuff at Quicksilver slimes. And here you have the Slimulation, where you go into a simulation, then you shoot stuff that's out of place, like slimes with ditto faces, any objects that aren't there with... Yeah, ditto faces, Becca. Yeah, just... Yeah, but you run through the dry range, the Mossy Grotto, and the Indigo Valley. And if there's anything you see that isn't there in the real world, you shoot it with debug spray and it spits out a bunch of glitch slimes. The glitch slimes get converted into a resource you take back. They can be converted for money and new blueprints. Okay, so, just to give a demonstration of crafting,
I'm on this side. Oh, wait, it's upside down.
I'm gonna grab the plorts required.
Does that really matter? Yeah, because we can step on the...
And, this is Mochi Miles.
Wait,
She's the one of the, Quicksilver slime race thing.
go.
Yeah, this is when you want to actually get pink slimes, because they are used in a lot of blueprints.
Stop. I tapped out. It's a pulpit. You win. Okay. I win the whole thing.
So I'd say at first grab about 20. Ooh, phosphor, I need that.
Practice wrestling with my 17-year-old brother. Can you help me wrestle? Can you help me? Can you teach me? I tried to, and you said we're not wrestling like that. So. Fine, you can do that. How do you wrestle?
You just grab. At first, you just grab plorts.
Because my brother didn't want to have a massive headache.
Up here.
So, we're not actually tackling them.
Oh, by the way, Moss Grotto is head through that tube over there, then turn that way. Hey, and you'll head through an area that you don't even need to spend a slime key to get in. Like, I'll just quickly show you how you get in without a slime key.
The left, or you grab the leg. Like that? No.
And I'll grab the rock plorts on the way.
Fall behind, but before you pin them, you roll them over.
Oh, also there's a secret style for the rocks that you get from a treasure pod that's right here, and it makes them fully gray, and it's just better. I prefer it.
Hold as tight as you can. And then
It's called heavy metal.
put them under their leg.
So,
And then
oh, by the way, Tabby Gordo,
flip.
Tabby Gordo,
I'm not doing that too.
Kitty Gordo.
Wrestling, yes. That's flipping. You can't. Okay, I won't flip.
So, in order to get into the Mossy Grotto without a slime key, you have to head over to the entrance, which is over here. Oh, by the way, that area right there, there's danger at night.
And you said you forfeited.
And to get in,
Wow. You're not grabbing my leg, though.
don't-
This is the wrestling we've been doing.
seriously,
How do we wrestle? No, I'm not doing that. Fine, I won't grab your leg. I'll do something else. I saw it online.
you fly onto this.
Don't mess with that. Don't mess with that. That's my smoke cleaner.
Then you jump up here.
Stop messing with that.
Oh.
I won't grab your leg, I promise. I won't grab your...
Then you head up here. Not Moss Grotto, Moss Blanket. I'm too used to playing Silk Song.
I won't grab your leg.
I confused the names. Lol.
Just one grab.
I'm stupid.
Fine, in a little bit we'll do it again.
But yeah, this is the area with stuff like honey slimes and the incredibly annoying hunter slime. Like, let me just give you a demonstration of where the hunter is. Like, there's probably a hunter, like, somewhere. They're invisible, or they can go invisible, so they're hard to find. Oh, I forgot these could... I didn't know these could spawn. These are her honey slimes, and mint mangoes are their favorite food. Honey slime. Pretty sure this is the favorite. No. Oh, there's a hunter slime. Ooh, there's another one. Yeah, hunter slimes. They go invisible sometimes, which is why they're the most annoying slime in the game. Well, quantum slimes can be a bit more annoying. Especially if you don't know how to stop them from teleporting. But I'll get to quantum slimes in a later video. Because those are in another area. They're in an area that's like over there. Can't go back up there. Nah. Fly! He can fly, he can fly, he can fly. Thing. Oh, and I am recording this the same day as the first part. Please make it, please make it, please make it. Okay, I made it. I did not expect to find a hunter slime. I was expecting to just wander around there and then be like, okay guys, hey, so you can see how annoying hunter slimes are to find. Oh, by the way, there's a
Tracy, you lied to me. You didn't change your password.
Oh, by the way, there's a.
It's a tablet. Check.
Oh, by the way, there is a. Hi, Xander.
What are you playing? Who are you playing with? Or video?
What? Video. Okay. Blah. There's a hunter gordo that's perched on top of a random tree, and it's completely invisible till you approach it. So yeah, that's annoying. Oh, and also, on weekends, party gordos sometimes appear randomly. They're special, and they don't drop any teleporters or slime keys or anything, just like gift boxes, which are those things that do things.
I'm not wrestling anymore. You said it a little bit.
God, that was the.
You said that. I said it a little bit, and you said okay.
That's not the thing I meant to put.
Yes, you did. No, I'm not.
Also, hunter plorts are required for drones.
I was in trouble when I was here first. But you won't.
So, head over here. Deposit your plorts.
Which one's?
How many did I need? 6.
What?
I'm gonna need to sell some stuff because I accidentally bought the coop.
I didn't.
Which, yeah, I guess I'm gonna need it anyway. Because of my, hey, hunter only eating meat. Oh, by the way, there's another slime type that called gold slimes that are incredibly rare. And when you shoot food at them, they drop gold plorts.
Why do I believe you more than I believe her?
Best plort in game. I can't remember if I encountered one in first part because I have bad memory.
I did not do it.
Heh.
Are you
Eh.
Yeah. That's mine. No, it's we have.
Okay, got the plorts.
We have assigned cups. The blueberry one's mine. It's fine. You can tell. It's a new thing.
Head over here. Sell the rad plorts.
Bro, Daphne kept throwing it while I wasn't paying attention, and I got hit in the face like 3 times. Nate, I have tent that I can carry on my head.
Okay, Xander.
I can't wait to play the game again, though. Right?
Head over here.
They're like scary.
Corral.
What we were doing with Daphne?
Pink slime.
No, the scary. Oh, yeah. Thing. I don't know what's
Yeah, you're gonna need a lot of these little buggers.
possessed doll. Possessed doll game. I'm gonna set up the same. Bro,
Oh, by the way, every slime needs this thing. It is amazing.
because Ezra gave it to her.
Yeah, there's a short little tutorial about it. It barely explains it.
I'm gonna kill him. And then grabbed my arm and then when I was walking
Excuse me.
away so I didn't smack him,
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna mix the hunter
so I pushed
and the crystal.
Hold on. I'm gonna check
They
the
both
wall.
have really good plorts.
See what happened. Come look at this wall. I pushed him so hard. He dented the wall with his tiny little head. He's tiny. I know, bro. His head. That's why those cameras are now there. Because of what happened.
Eat the plort. Yes.
Eat the Bart.
Oh. Oh no, bad.
He's recording a video.
Angry. Angie. Ugh. Oh, and the reason that there's two things on here is for Largos. Like, let me just demonstrate how much 100 plort sells for at first. 102. And it's going down even though I haven't sold anything. Oh, by the way, these things, they increase or decrease at midnight. Happy slime moon.
Fart nugget.
What?
Fart nugget.
You're strange.
So are you.
Oh, and gadget mode is pressing this. This gives you the spots you can place things.
Chicken fart.
In Slime Rancher 2, you can just place it anywhere.
Fart. Chicken nugget. The chicken nugget just farted in my mouth.
He is odd. But yeah, I'm just gonna demonstrate the building process. That's where you make the thing, then you place it, then do your stuff, and then do.
Xando isn't gonna be the possessed one.
Yes, I am.
No, I go down 3 safe and possessed, and I put them in the book.
And then go that in.
First one to be blessed.
Put this up.
Fun though, because then you don't know.
Sell one.
Yeah,
Funner's not a word.
it's more fun if we don't know who's the possessed one.
True. So, should we do that?
Yes.
Okay.
We just gotta
No,
put
no.
Becca.
So, Gracie.
Put this in.
You want to do that too? No, because what if like
Can you guys stop being so loud? I'm trying to record a video here.
Okay, what? What's Gracie?
So you head over here, take your plorts, shove it in the thing.
No,
Put that in there.
let's
Now all that's needed is 6 rock plort. Etc.
No, we don't even go into the closet. 'Cause
And since I don't have rock plorts on the ranch, I'm gonna have to head over here.
yes, but if somebody goes into a closet,
Oh,
and
and
the other 3 are just there, we're gonna know who it is.
I got hit in the face by a crystal slime.
Just no going into the closet.
only if you like bringing something.
Yeah, unless you're bringing.
Phosphor, fluff, fluff.
Doing this,
How did these guys get all the way over here? These guys are supposed to be all the way in this area, at the end of this area, actually.
I'm not doing that.
remember, me and you are coming back.
Tangle slime! I do not like tangle slimes. They're another area that's in there. They're another slime that's only in the final area, and I do not like them. They are so annoying. Jerk. Did you seriously just eat that plort?
He didn't.
Why did you ruin my thing?
See you hallway. But you want to do a bucket thing?
Okay, just go looking around for the plorts.
The thing where he take the safe, like we
Safe or possessed?
Yeah, 3 of safe, 3 of was possessed. If you say yes, then we will be doing it. No matter what Becca says.
Yeah,
I
it's
just
just
cracked my phone.
but it'd be 3 against 1.
What?
Can you not spin?
What did you say?
Yes or no? You said yes.
Did you just?
Okay, feed this guy.
Yourself?
She said she cracked a bone.
Feed.
Oh, I thought she said. I said.
Feed it again.
But now it doesn't matter what Becca says because it's 3 against 1.
Feed.
Yeah, if you said no, then Becca might have said no. So.
Wait, because she said yes, Becca
I
said
swear I just heard a gold slime.
No, she's probably gonna say no, because she always thinks everything her way.
Nah, but no matter what you're doing,
tell her your idea, Daphne.
back up.
That's a tar.
What you say? It's 3 against 1.
If you say no, it's 3 against 1.
But
All 3 of us say
Zando
yes.
isn't going to be the possessed one. I will save.
Yep, kill that thing.
But
Bro missed the food.
We won't let-
you know who's the possessed one.
No, because we're not gonna do the closet thing.
I'm getting annoyed.
Because then we'll know who it is.
Well, it's 3 against 1.
Supposed to know who it is.
It's
Up
3
here.
Not in the beginning.
Get
We're gonna
the.
start
I told you she's gonna say no.
It's 3 against 1.
You know, there's rock slimes down here. Maybe there's rock slimes down here. No, my first attack! Oh, I'm incredibly annoyed right now.
please. He tapped. Oh. Okay, Zando move. I'm showing her my Paco.
Oh, with this?
Stop! No, stop! I have something better.
Eat!
You when I'm done with it.
Oh God, eat! Yes, yes, eat.
Trying to show you.
Or die.
So basically what
I messed up. I meant to do.
The bird. This is why I don't like this game. I'm just kidding, I love this game. But I really don't like when the game does this. Oh, no, 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 no. No. There. Have your food. Give me your poop. And of course, he just kills himself right after that. Of course.
Go see what Becca's
Eat. Give me your poop.
Okay, go see what she
Eat. Now give me your turds.
No, she went, ugh.
Where'd it go? I know where'd the port go.
I don't know who he is.
She's probably downstairs. I didn't do anything.
You moved, I'm just saying, you moved your elbow wide when I was putting my
Of course it had to get it right then, right there. I am very annoyed. I have spent so long trying to get this thing, just get a dump rock blorts. Eat. Finally, it didn't bounce off him. Finally, it didn't bounce off the little bugger. Calm down. It's just a game. It's just a game that I want to murder the developers of. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Don't worry about me, I'm good. Give. Please don't say they're totem polling. Okay, good, they didn't totem pole. Totem polling is when like 5 of them get stacked on top of each other because they want out. Okay. There is a drill. Drills can be placed in the ranch. They can be placed in the indigo quarry. They can be placed in the moss blanket. They can be placed in the beyond the moss blanket. Yeah, they can pretty much be placed anywhere. Oh. Puddle. Give me your puddles. Slimes. Okay. Harvest my oka. Then head over here. When did I go there? So, I'm going to demonstrate placing one in the indigo quarry, go to sleep, and then head back to it. That's not the way. I'm also going to grab some rock slimes while I'm out here because I don't want a repeat of that whenever I have to craft a new drill. No! I'm gonna put them in with the nom 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 pink slimes. They give different resources depending on what area you place them in. In the day, it will have a thing ready that you can go, and it will. Okay, now head back. Also take the crystal ornament because I like crystals. I like crystal slimes. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Ah, 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 ah. Why did I do that? Now head over here.
That sounds suspicious.
That sounds suspicious!
We are able to lie to each other. What did you get?
If I get possessed,
Then head over here.
it's Xando.
So we are able to
Then
lie to each other.
sleep until
I
morning.
get possessed her. Yeah, if he gets possessed, it's her. If she gets
Oh, treasure cracker.
Yeah, how about wait guys,
Oh.
how about if we kill the blonde doll? If everybody agrees that that's so extreme and we'll kill it, then the game ends and then
Yes.
we have to set a 20-minute timer.
You don't need a timer.
Oh, and
It finishes when it finishes. Daphne.
No,
Does it?
Yes, it does.
no, it's whoever. It's wait, no,
Wait.
Oh, Bob.
It's Chewy like that.
Bob likes chicken.
Yes.
Bob is clearly a human person. He is not a free pink slimes in a trench coat. I freaking love Bob.
Lay down for 3 hours straight. 2 hours.
My sense of humor has been ruined ever since I watched SMG4.
It doesn't matter. Till he gets run.
Okay, come on, Xando. Wait, guys.
We need to put the noise.
Now I head over here, head into the...
No, I don't trust you. No, I don't trust you to like not do it.
Wait, no. I don't trust Daphne.
Run, 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 get out of here. Ah, ah. I'll take that.
If it turns off, if I put my tablet in.
I don't need that anymore.
Turn off.
Okay, Xando.
Jellystone is a common thing that is everywhere, and indigonium only spawns in the Indigo Valley. Oh, come on! There's a tar!
Our grandfather said whoever does it again has to deal with it.
Yeah, you have to pay it.
What's the tars? There's the tars.
We have to pay part of it.
Just die. This is why my main world is on casual. Without tars. Because they are annoying. But yeah, you take the resources from your drill or apiary or pump. Each give different resources.
Actually, you're really
And
sus. You're gonna
each no, not each. There's a actually I think yeah, each has their own really rare resource that can be gotten in one specific biome. The only one I can remember is royal jelly from apiaries in the moss blanket.
Why are we voting? That's just gonna end.
But if we think it's
Then Jellystone goes in, and Indigonium goes in. You take the materials, shove them in, and you can view them in here, and you can use them for more things. Yay! Alright, video over.